Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on a Mercedes S550. Well, it's inside the trunk. It is behind that cover, all the way in the trunk. You got to remove everything here and the two screws. Okay, and then you gotta pull the covers out. Let's see. Let me do it. Let me do it from the bottom. Yes. Yeah. Yep. Okay. Ra ngồi đi. Boom, shakalaka. You see that battery? The big ass battery on the side? It is. Behind the seat. Yeah. Take this screw off. Take that and pull it out.
Slide out.
And slide out. Okay. Good luck. Please give it a thumb up and subscribe. Thank you.